It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, 5 altcoins that you should look at and maybe look at buying, obviously, for August. Now, of course, here's the disclaimers. This video is for entertainment purposes only, right? I'm not telling you to go buy these assets. This is not a sponsored video. Out of these 5, maybe 2 of them you've heard of. And so I thought that was cool. I always like to highlight and spotlight kind of maybe some that you haven't heard of. So spend a few minutes with me. I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. And we're going to see, if any of these are on your radar. Drop in the comments below. What are your thoughts on some of these? Hit the like button. Please, please, please hit that like button down below this video. It is free for you to do that. It tells the algorithm that we're here. It spreads crypto as a message, gets more people into the fold. We need more people in crypto. Okay, here we go. So the 5 altcoins that you should look at and maybe think about for August. The first one didn't really surprise me. Litecoin. Litecoin has its halving event coming up. Litecoin is ranked number 12 right there. So when you say the word halving, that's usually a good thing. So that's big, big, big for Litecoin. That's the one leading us out the door, if you will. Icon. This is one that I wasn't aware of. ICX has launched their incentivized test net. Okay, currently ranked number 158. Current price is 22 cents. There's your market cap. So check out Icon, ICX. I'm not going to dig too deep into these because I want to keep this a pretty straightforward video. So if you want to check any of these out, you can just grab, you can grab it here and go look at them on CoinMarketCap, what have you. There's your rank. It's ICX. You can just look it up via ICX if you want. Okay. Horizon, known as Zen. There you go. Their testnet goes live. Again, ranked 211, current price and market cap of 132.7 million. The elimination of the Horizon main chain shielded pools will be executed during the forthcoming obligatory software upgrade. So there you go. So kind of a interesting thing going there. Testnet, mainnet coming in the not too distant future. All right. Tezos meetup can lead to increased interest. Okay. So Tezos is ranked number 57, price, market cap, 797 million. So is Tezos one that's on your radar or not? And why do you like them? Drop in the comments below. Okay. So let's continue to go forward. Ultra UOS launches games platform. Current price, 17 cents. Market cap 47 million, ranked 426. Ultra Arena launches August 8th. This arena is an esports tournament platform that will allow gamers to compete in their favorite games with their friends in order to win various prizes. So there you go. So they're launching their arena game platform. There you go. And that's it. That's 5 for you. See, I kept that really short and sweet for you. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. Do you think any of these are kind of worth looking at? Were they on your radar? Again, maybe 1 or 2 of them you know about. The other ones you probably don't, which is always good. You never know. You can kind of go, the gaming one sounded interesting to me. I might have to go look at that one. I think gaming is going to continue to be and grow one of the main categories in crypto. So that's what I got. Go make some money. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only, as that scrolling little thing right there says. I'll see you.